Welcome. If you've ever drafted an email in Gmail and attached a document, but later struggled to find these saved drafts with attachments, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to view your draft emails that include documents right from your mobile device. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. This guide works for both Android and iPhone, whether you're on the go or just away from your computer. Next, look in the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called a hamburger menu. Give it a tap and a list of options will slide out from the side. Scroll down the menu until you spot Drafts. Drafts contain all the emails you've started but haven't sent yet. Tap on Drafts to see all your unfinished messages. Now, at the top of the draft screen, just below the search bar, you'll see an option that says Attachment. Tap on Attachment. This filters your drafts to show only those with files attached, making it much easier than scrolling through a long list. From here, look for the filter labeled Documents. Tap on Documents, and Gmail will only display drafts that have documents, such as PDFs or Word files, attached to them. This is incredibly useful if you need to quickly find a specific file you were working on, or double-check that you included the right attachment before sending. Now, you can tap on any draft in this filtered list to review your email and check or preview the attached document. Make any tweaks you need to the message or attachments, and when you're ready, simply hit send, and that's all it takes. With these simple steps, you'll never lose track of your draft emails with documents attached again. If you found these tips helpful, let us know. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.